Hi everyone, in this lesson we're going to learn how to use a multiplication square to do the 3 division tables. First of all, let's look at a 100 square to see how a multiplication square is made. So we're going to skip count in threes on the 100 square, starting on 3. And you can skip count along with me. 6, hopping on 3 more, 9, then we've got 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, and 39. Now we're going to stop there and we're going to take those numbers on the 100 square and put them onto a multiplication square, just like that. And that's where the numbers on a multiplication square come from. We can either use the multiplication square to skip count easily, or we can use it to do our division and multiplication tables. Let's look a little bit closer to see how. In this lesson we're going to focus on division. So we say 3 divided by 3 goes once. Then we've got 6 divided by 3 goes twice. So if I wanted to get to 6, skip counting in threes, it would take me 2 hops. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So if I wanted to get to 15, jumping in threes, it would take me 5 hops, or 5 jumps. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. So if I was skip counting in threes, it would take me 10 counts to get to 30. 33 divided by 3 is equal to 11. 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. And finally, 39 divided by 3 is equal to 13. To get to 39, jumping in threes, it would take me 13 hops, or 13 counts. And well done! You've learned how to use the times and division multiplication square. See you in the next video! Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.